Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and one of my all-time favorite appetizers is a classic shrimp cocktail. And we're gonna go ahead and make our own cocktail sauce, and we're gonna poach our own raw shrimp. So let's get started. Okay, we're starting with a half a cup of chili sauce and a half a cup of ketchup. I've got a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of horseradish, a teaspoon of Tabasco, and the juice of a half a lemon. Okay, let's go ahead and get our Worcestershire in there, followed by our Tabasco and our lemon juice. And you can always add more Tabasco, horseradish to your taste. And this is just a classic sauce, cocktail sauce. We kind of adapted it from our local steakhouse seafood restaurant here in town. And you're just gonna whisk this up, and you wanna do this first so this has a chance to sit and get the flavors to meld. Now, if you wanted to go like a Cajun remoulade, you could add a little Cajun seasoning, some diced celery, diced red onion, or if you even wanted to go like a Mexican style, you can add cilantro, lime juice, onion, you put cucumber in there, celery. Various ways to make a shrimp cocktail sauce. There. Oh yeah, I forgot, on the Cajun, you'd add a little bit of mayo to it too. And I'm just gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for about an hour. Okay, I've had my frozen shrimp defrosting in cool running water. They're all defrosted, and these are U15 size shrimp, which means there's 15 shrimp to a pound. And you have to use jumbo shrimp when you're doing shrimp cocktail. They already came deveined. I'm just removing the shell along with the legs. I like to leave the tail on for a little presentation. And that's what we're gonna do with the rest of them. Okay, I have my large stock pot with some boiling water going. We're gonna make our poaching liquid, adding a teaspoon of peppercorns, a bay leaf, 1/4 cup of white wine. I'm using Chardonnay. And then we're gonna put some lemon, slices of a whole lemon. I don't wanna let that boil for probably a good 5 minutes before we add the shrimp. That way it starts to get the flavors going. While my poaching liquid is boiling, I went ahead and put together some ice and water, and this is called an ice bath, and we're gonna shock the shrimp after they cook into the ice bath to stop the cooking process. Okay, it's been going for about 5 minutes. We're gonna add our shrimp. Okay, you can see they've already started to turn pink. They've only been in there 2 minutes, so it's time to put them in the ice bath. And I did 15, so a whole pound of shrimp. Shock them, stop the cooking process, and then we're gonna be ready to eat. Chilled shrimp cocktail, oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna make a nice little appetizer for 2. Got our little martini glass there. I'm gonna add our cocktail sauce. About 3/4 of the way up. And then we're just gonna hang our lovely jumbo shrimp on the sides. Of course, you have to have some lemon wedges. Go. Now, if you want to do a little appetizer, if you're having a party and you want to do single servings, you can always put some cocktail sauce in a little shot glass, hang 2 shrimp from the sides, and your guests have their own personal little shrimp cocktail. All right, it's time to eat. I'm gonna get a little lemon on my bite. Give it a little dunk. No double dipping, you gotta eat this all in one bite. So simple, but so delicious. Give this recipe a try, let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Man, that's good.